Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture you will learn how to connect your infrastructure with a real Windows VM machine. So if you're interested, join me now. So up to this point we have implemented successfully ISV layer 3, ISV layer 2 and also ASA. Now let's start and connect a Windows machine. For this reason I have also configured and installed a Windows 10 machine, and I would like to create a new infrastructure, a new topology. So first of all, let's do some configuration. Now if you go in the VMware heading, first of all in the advanced local settings you would have to configure multiple VMnet interfaces, to say so, which VMnet means VM networking, so virtual machine networking. Now I have configured from 2 to 7, so a couple of VM networks, and you will see them here. As you can see now, I don't have only the real NIC cards, network interface cards, I also have additional VM nets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 8. And this happens when you just click on the configure button. Now after you do this, you'll have to go in the VMware VMs and click on New. Next, then select your VM from the VM list. In this case, it's Windows 10, and click Finish. Before exiting, you have to click on Edit and go into Network, and also allow GNS3 to override non-custom VMware adapter. Please be aware that I have my Windows machine turned off now, and this is because GNS3 has to make some changes regarding to this VM. So now I click Apply and OK. Now if configuration is successful, you will see the Windows machine appearing in the End Devices Installed Appliances, and here it is. So let's create a new project, new blank project, and I will name it Windows 10 PC .project. So I will just drag the Windows PC in, and also I will take a Cisco router and I will just connect them together. So Ethernet 0 going to gigabit 0 by 0. Let's power on the router, and now I'll also power up the Windows 10 VM, and when I do this you will see it power it on in the VMware workstation, and it's obvious. In the meantime, let's cancel to the router. So cancel. We will have to wait until it boots up, and I will configure IP addressing between the Windows PC, the Windows machine, and the router, and try to ping from one to another and see if that's successful. Let's see what's happening with the Windows 10 PC. Okay, this is also powering up. And here it is. So let's say conf t interface gigabit 0 by 0, IP address 10.0.0.1 255.255.255.0, no shut. Now before I apply configuration to the NIC card of Windows, if you go into settings and look in the network adapter, you can see that now it has VMnet 4 assigned, and it is doing an auto bridging VMnet with VMnet 0. So let's log in. Password GNS3. meantime, I will start pinging 10, let's say 2, and repeat 100. Okay, so going into networking and sharing center, then change adapter settings, and in the Ethernet configuration I'll go into properties and IPv4 settings. So IPv4 properties, let's say here 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.1. This is the DNS, Google DNS. Okay, okay. And also, yes, let's look into the console. So now it looks like it's working. Let's make sure that when I initiate the ping from the Windows machine, the packets are indeed reaching our router. So ping, let's check the configuration first, ipconfig. So I have 10.0.0.2, I can ping myself. Okay, and now I will just ping the router. So looking into the console, I can see now ICMP ping. So echo reply sent source myself going to destination 10.0.0.2, which is basically ourselves, so the Windows PC. This is me. 10.0.0.2 is the Windows PC. So basically, yeah, this is the way you can connect your Windows real VM machine to your infrastructure. And in the next lecture, I will just show you how you can connect your whole topology to the internet. So thanks for viewing and see you in the next lecture.